Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and I'm going to do the work for plug it in. Do each problem in your math notebook. I have my math notebook. Number each problem. This is question 1. Show your work. This means to show the equation with the value for x or y plugged into it. Got it. I understand the instructions. So this is question number 2. I'll be right back. I'm going to sharpen my pencils. And I am back. So number 2. 2x, but x is 4, plus 4y equals 16. So this is 8 plus 4y equals 16. Subtracting 8, 4y equals 8, so y must equal 2. X equals negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 plus 4y equals 16. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 4y equals 16. Adding 8 to both sides. 4y equals 24. Dividing both sides by 4. Y equals 6. Number 4. Y equals 3, so we have 2x plus 4y. Y equals 3 equals 16. So 2x plus 12 equals 16, subtracting 12s. 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. Question 5. Y equals negative 6. So we have 2x plus 4y, but y equals negative 6 equals 16. So 2x plus negative 24 equals 16, adding 24 to both sides. So 2x equals 40, so x equals 20. Question number 6. 3x, but x equals 3, so 3 times 3 plugged in, minus 5y equals negative 6. 9 minus 5y equals negative 6, subtracting 9, negative 5y equals negative 15, dividing both sides by negative 5, y equals 3. Question 7, x equals negative 3, so 3 times negative 3, just plugged it in, minus 5y equals 6, so negative 9 minus 5y equals 6, adding 9 to both sides. Negative 5y equals a positive 15, dividing both sides by negative 5, y equals negative 3. Question number 8. Y equals 5, so I have 3x minus 5 times y. So there I plugged it in. 3x minus 25 equals 5, adding 25 to both sides. 3x equals 30, so x must equal 10. Number 9. So 4x minus 5y, and in this case y is negative 5. equals 29. 4x plus 25 equals 29. Why is it a positive? A negative times a negative is a positive. Subtracting 25 from both sides. 4x equals 4, so x equals 1. Number 10, 4x, but x equals 0, minus 7y equals negative 28. So that the 4 times 0 is just 0, so negative 7y equals negative 28. Dividing both sides by negative 7. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so it's positive 4. Number 11. X equals negative 2, so I have negative 4 times negative 2 minus 7y equals 1, so it's 8. Minus 7y equals 1. Subtracting 8 from both sides, so negative 7y equals negative 7, so y equals 1. Number 12, plugging in the x, that's just in a different order. Don't freak out. 22 equals 2x, x in this case is 2. Plus 9y, so 4 plus 9y. Subtracting 4 from both sides takes me to 18 equals 9y, so y equals 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. Number 13. X equals 1/2, so I have 8 equals 4 times 1/2 plus 6y. Half of 4 is 2 plus 6y minus 2 minus 2. 6 equals 6y, so y equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Y equals 1/3. Y equals 1/3. So 15 equals 4x plus 9y. Y equals 1/3. Plugged it in. 15 equals 4x. 1/3 of 9 is 3. Subtracting 3 from both sides. 12 equals 4x. Dividing both sides by 4. X equals 3. Cool, that works. Thanks for watching.